Hey there everybody, it's Anna. Welcome back to my art channel and thank you for stopping by. So here I am on the beautiful Diamond Beach in Cape May, New Jersey. I came here on a birding trip, but I just love being at the beach and at the ocean and in the water. And today I'm going to do a beach pour for you today. It's one of the hairdryer blowouts. And what I've realized is that when I do these beach surf blowouts, my typical point of view is that of somebody in the water, snorkeling, scuba diving, swimming, looking up at the beach from down in the water. But what I've realized is that for a lot of people, their internal point of view is standing on the beach looking out at the water. And so for them, the whole canvas would be flipped. So I'm doing that type of a beach today. I'm going to do a horizontal canvas with the beach at the bottom flowing out to really give the feel of somebody being at the beach looking out at those beautiful crashing waves rolling in. All right, I think it'll be a lot of fun. I also want to use video from the beach as my background noise, so you really get the feeling like you're there at the water while I'm doing this pour. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Let's go make a painting. Hey there everybody, who's ready to paint this beach with me? I'm so excited. So I've got a 12 by 24 inch canvas and I have already painted the sand part. So this is just, it's kind of a custom beach color that I mixed up with some tan and some metallic gold to make, so it's not super shimmery, but it's just this nice kind of neutral sand color. So I'm afraid I don't have a specific color to point you to. You'll have to make your own or find your own color. But I went ahead and painted this on yesterday, so it is dry. And now I'm going to add the colors of the water and blow them out from here. Okay, so I have white, metallic sea mist, Caribbean blue, King's blue, this nice kind of seafoam green, which is a blend that I scraped from another beach pour that I did. I have metallic teal, and I have dark navy, which is phthalo blue and black. So my paint is all mixed with Floetrol, about 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then thinned with water until it's medium thin to thin. So it's maybe not quite as thin as a standard Dutch pour, but it's close. It's not as thin as a paint and water Dutch pour mix, but it should be thin enough for the blow dryer to blow it out. All right, so this is a really simple way to get a beautiful beach design. So I'm just going to slide these to the side and go ahead and start. So I'm not going to have tons of this dark color because we don't have enough canvas for it to really show up. But I do have a lot of this paint color mixed up, so I'm starting with that. But the lighter colors will blow over the top of it. Let's do some of this sea foam. Okay, before I add too many of the lighter colors, I'm going to make my white surf line here. I just want to know kind of where my line is going to be so I can put the other colors up to it. Here's this metallic sea mist. This is a nice reactive color, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful pale green. Okay, so I haven't come all the way up here to the white. I actually have this little cup of just very pale blue, which I'm going to put right up here next to the white, because my metallic sea mist goes kind of transparent when it's dry, and I don't want lots of this sand color showing through. Okay, I think I have enough paint on here, or at least I'm pretty close. I need to add a little bit more white up here at the top, and then I will start blowing it out. So it is important to get this the blowing out in the proper order. So you start by blowing the white down just a few inches. You do that before you do the hairdryer blow. Because if you just blow with a hairdryer, there isn't enough paint here to really move it until it gets kind of back here. So in order to have the white blended in, you do have to start up here. So you can use a straw, or in this case, I'm gonna just try it with my mouth. Okay, this edge line is really pretty right now. There's a lot of the green in it. So I don't know if this is going to end up being a really green beach water, which that would be really cool, or we'll see. So now it's time to grab the hairdryer and just blow across kind of in rows from this side all the way down. Wow, this is really pretty. So it is very pale and greenish, but we do have some darker colors out here, which is great. So my paint it's been a little bit since I've done one of these, and my paint was thicker than it should have been. You probably could see that it was not wanting to move super, super fast. It still turned out very cool. I need to touch up a couple more areas, which I may just do blowing with my mouth instead of the hairdryer. I'm going to try the hairdryer here because there's a lot of stuff here that isn't blended. Okay, so for some of this stuff where there's these zigzags here in the middle, I didn't blow enough from this way, so I'm going to try to just blow it by mouth and see if I can even out some of these bits. Yeah, this is very cool. I'm just going to use a straw to do some little tweaks here and there where I think I need them. Okay, this is looking awesome. It's so good. Let me slide it up so you can see it a little better. Yeah, so there are a few areas where the paints did not quite blend the way I wanted them to, and that's because my paint was too thick. That's just because I haven't done it in a while. But let me give it a quick torch, see if I can bring up any more of these bubbles. It's still fantastic, and I can't wait to give you a close-up, but let me try to get some more bubbles first. Awesome. Okay, this looks fantastic. I have a couple little blue smears up here in the white, so let me try to get those out, and then I think I'll be done. Alright, I love that. It's finished, and let me give you a close-up. Alright, here it is. Look at that shimmery ocean front. All of those bubble details and swirls going back. So this is the area where the paint didn't quite mix, but it still made a really cool look. Just love all the bubbles there at the edge of the surf. Those are some of the little bubbles that the torch brought up. And then this is my favorite section coming up right here. And look at that big pop of bubbles. That's that metallic sea mist. It makes really amazing cell reactions. And then here is very cool too. So I love this. I love how there's the fading effect of the water flowing, but also all of those cool bubble details. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and the peaceful waves in the background. Let me know down in the comments if you have ever done a beach pour like this, or if you'd like to try one after seeing this one. I hope you'll come back to my channel and watch some of my other videos. I have a whole playlist of ocean-inspired pours. I will see you for the next one. Bye!